Let's see how you can manipulate the components in a particular screen during runtime using automations. Now in this case, I have a simple radio button. Are you happy with the product? Yes and no. So in this case, what I want to do is, if the user selects no, I want to ask them to provide the reason. And if the user selects yes, I want to show this option called "that's great to hear." I wouldn't want to show the other options in the other scenarios. So how do I do this with ZORP automation? So you start with a component that will initiate the trigger, so which in this case is the radio button. I can create an automation here, create a new automation, and I can say okay. So now the trigger basically is so I choose a radio component on value change. So whenever the radio component's value changes, this automation gets run. So I save. There are no validations here. In the first action block, the condition is basically value is true. Value is yes. So if it is yes, I want to show the text display component. So in this case of radio button, value equals yes. So if the value of radio button is equal to yes, I want to update the show success text. So in this case, I will show text2 is visible is true. So I'm making the visibility of text2 true. And at the same time, I also want to add another condition. In this case, hide no reason. So I will take text input 3, visibility false. So whenever somebody chooses the option yes, the success message will be shown and the no reason will be hidden. Now I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it. It's a very convenient option. So here, if the value is no, value is equal to no, and I want to hide the success text, and I want to show the no reason. All right, let's see how this works. So I'm going to save this automation, go back, hit preview. So I'm going to open the base workflow. So am I happy with the product? Yes. So in this case, I see that's great to hear. And if I press no, I have please provide the reason. So during runtime, you can control the visibility. Visibility is one option we saw, but you can pretty much work with the default value. Like you want to change the text, etc. You can actually do that. You can even call an external API. So let's say somebody enters an OTP and you want to check with your system to see if the OTP is valid and show messages correspondingly. You can do any sorts of things during runtime within the same screen using automations. Hopefully this was helpful.